Ever wonder why green juice has taken the health world by storm? Packed with an abundance of nutrients, this vibrant beverage has made a name for itself, not just as a trend, but a lifestyle choice. But what exactly makes this verdant concoction so beneficial? Green juice, as the name suggests, is a beverage made from green vegetables. It's an excellent way to ensure you're getting a hefty dose of vegetables in your diet. Think of it as taking a shortcut to consuming all those recommended servings of veggies. A glass of green juice is like a liquid vitamin containing everything from vitamin A to iron. Now let's talk about the power of chlorophyll. This is what gives green vegetables their color. It's also a powerful detoxifier that helps to purify the blood, enhance oxygen transport, and boost your immune system. Drinking green juice is like giving your body a direct shot of health and wellness. Green juices are also high in antioxidants. These little warriors fight against free radicals in the body, helping to prevent chronic diseases and slow down the aging process. They also play a key role in boosting your immune system, making you more resistant to illnesses. What about digestion? Green juice comes in handy here too. The high fiber content in green vegetables helps to regulate your digestive system, preventing constipation and promoting a healthy gut. Then there's the hydration factor. Made largely from cucumbers, celery and lettuce, green juices are a great source of hydration. They help maintain your body's water balance, keeping your skin glowing and your body functioning optimally. But green juice isn't just about physical health. It's also a mental health booster. The B vitamins in green vegetables have been linked to improved mood, reduced anxiety, and overall better mental well-being. So a glass of green juice can be just the thing to brighten your day. So to recap, drinking green juice can offer a multitude of health benefits. It's a quick and easy way to consume a variety of nutrients. It helps detoxify the body, boost the immune system, enhance digestion, hydrate the body, and improve mental health. All this packed into one refreshing green glass of goodness. Remember, the key to reaping these benefits is consistency, so why not make green juice a part of your daily routine? Your body will surely thank you for it. So now that you know the benefits of green juice, how about trying it out for yourself? There are plenty of recipes out there, from the basic cucumber, spinach, and apple mix to more exotic blends with ingredients like ginger and turmeric. Feel free to experiment and find a mix that suits your taste buds. So go ahead, give the green a go. It's more than just a drink, it's a lifestyle choice. Here's to a healthier, happier you. Cheers!